How to fix Alfred 4 for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall Alfred 4 on a Mac using a script file, you can follow these steps. 1. Open TextEdit or your preferred text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following commands into the text editor. #bin/bash #uninstall Alfred 4 sudo rmrf/application /alfred \4.app sudo rmrf/library/application /support /alfred \4 sudo rmrf/library/caches/com running with crayons.alfred 4 sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com running with crayons.alfred 4.list sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com running with crayons.alfred preferences 4.list 3. Save the file with a.sh extension, example uninstall_alfred.sh, to your desired location. 4. Open terminal on your Mac. 5. Navigate to the location where you saved the script file by using the cd command followed by the path to the folder, example cd/downloads. 6. Make the script file executable by entering the command mod +x uninstall_alfred.sh. 7. Run the script file by entering the command /uninstall_alfred.sh. 8. Enter your administrator password when prompted to confirm the uninstallation. This script file will remove the Alfred 4 application and all associated files and preferences from your Mac. Please note that this script should be used with caution and only if you are sure you want to completely uninstall Alfred 4. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.